Laplow, reporting from the comfort of my own pool, ready to give you the announcements for Day 5 of Session 2 of the Summer Journalism Workshop. 1 week down, 1 week to go. Congratulations to Michelle Charnier from Huron High School, winner of Thursday night's Live Baby Live Trivia Contest. And thank you to the amazing Chad Sanders for bringing his Facebook Live show to MIPA. You can catch Live Baby Live on Facebook at facebook.com/LiveBabyShow and Instagram at LiveBabyIG. MIPA Workshop special events are great opportunities to explore important issues in depth, learn about journalism, and have fun. Information on how to join these live events is available in the Workshop Special Events section in Google Classroom. Submit your MIPA's Got Talent variety show act by Monday. Record video of your act for the MIPA's Got Talent variety show. Videos should be 3 minutes or less. Information is available in Google Classroom about how to submit your video to MIPA. Past acts have included comedy, music, spoken word, poetry, dancing, magic, storytelling, and more. We'll assemble all of the pre-taped acts together in a show to be broadcast during a live watch party. We'll have prizes for the winning acts. The challenge is on. MIPA Staff Challenge is a great way for you and your fellow staffers participating in the workshop to develop a plan of action for the school year ahead. Oh, thanks. Set some specific goals and put together a plan of action for how your team will accomplish those goals. The best plan will get a sweet prize. Everyone else will have an awesome plan for the rest of the year. More information can be found under the workshop resources in Google Classroom. You can also schedule a meeting with Sarah Beth to talk about your ideas before you submit. Have a safe and fun weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday morning for live sessions. For everyone here at Broadcast Bootcamp, I'm Jason Laplow.